In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily fix error code 0x800f0955 in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, let's get started. So firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar, type for CMD. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, please click on Run as Administrator. Now you will be able to receive a notification where your user account control will ask you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you can run this command prompt system. So from here, I have here a first solution or first for command text. All you need to do is you need to copy all of this one at the description box below since I'll be including it there. And the very first one that you need to type is sc space config space wuauserv space start equals auto. So copy and paste it here. Then once you have click on enter key, proceed to typing the second, which is sc space config space bits space start equals space auto. Then paste it here and click on enter key and proceed on the third one, which is scconfig space cryptSvc space start equals space auto. Then click on the enter key. Once done, proceed on typing the last one, which is sc space config space trustedinstaller space start equals space auto, and click on the enter key the moment you have pasted it. Once done, close the window and restart the computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to move on to the second method, and that is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for CMD for the second time. If the best match would appear, please click on Run as Administrator. Now your account control would notify you again, ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can give a permission on running this command prompt system. So from here, you need to proceed to the third one, which is this one. So all you need to do is you need to copy and paste it here one by one, which is net space stop space wuauserv. Then click on the enter key. Proceed by typing the second, which is net space stop space crypt svc. Then click on the enter key. Then proceed by typing this one. Just typed or copy it, net space stop space bits. Then click on the enter key. Then proceed to the fourth, then to the fifth, to the sixth, to the seventh, to the eighth, to the ninth, and to the 10th. Once you're good, type on exit. Okay, and you need to restart the machine. Once you've restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate to the button search bar here. Okay, so please proceed to the button search bar and you need to update the computer. Okay, so how we can do so? Please navigate at the button search bar here, type for Windows Update. Once you're done, click on the open to continue, and eventually you would be directed to the settings, particularly to the Windows Update. So I would suggest to update your computer to the latest version, since the moment you've updated your computer, it will fix and make improvement on the computer. So click on download and install or check for updates and update the latest version. Once you're good, restart the computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? However, if not, then you need to move on to the next method, and that is to type for PowerShell. Once you've typed it, please click on the Run as Administrator. So please click on it. And if your user control would notify you again, please click on yes so that you can proceed. So here you need to type or paste a command text, which is this one. So don't worry because as what I have said earlier, I'll be including this all of here at the description box below. So please copy it. Okay, paste it here, and all you need to do is you need to click on the enter key and just type for yes to confirm your action if it will ask you, and restart the machine. Okay, once you've restarted that, okay, check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to our last method, and that is we need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So how we can do so, please navigate at the bottom search bar here and type for settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together to continue. So click on open once a best match would appear. And please navigate to the left pane where you can see the system. And under the system settings, you need to navigate to the troubleshoot option. So I can see it here. And afterwards, you would be able to see three list of options. Proceed with other troubleshooters and run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So in some cases, when you run the troubleshooter for Windows Update, it will fix the problem for you. Just complete the procedure, okay? Just complete the process there and restart the computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.